Hello and welcome to Forex.Academy, your #1 website for Forex and crypto education and analysis. In today's edition, we're going to be discussing the 3 best indicators to watch when trading Bitcoin. For the past week, Bitcoin's price has been dancing around the $20,000 mark. This has led many traders to lose their patience. In the eyes of those traders, the current lack of bullish momentum is problematic, especially when considering that Bitcoin tested the $16,200 level roughly 2 weeks ago. Experienced traders tend to look at several key indicators that serve as telling us of signs of major trend reversal. These indicators are the futures premium, volumes, and top traders' positions at major exchanges. While a handful of negative indicators do not precede every dip, there are some signs of weakness that show a trend reversal more often than not. Monitoring the future contracts premium. The open interest of perpetual contract buyers and sellers is matched at all times in any futures contract. Simply put, there is no way an imbalance of any form can happen, as every trade requires both a buyer and a seller. Funding rates ensure that there are no exchange risk imbalances. When sellers are the ones demanding more leverage, the funding rate goes negative. Therefore, the traders that want to be on the short side will be the ones paying the fees. The opposite is true as well. Sudden shifts to the negative funding rates indicate a strong interest in keeping short positions open. Ideally, investors would monitor a couple of exchanges at the same time to avoid eventual anomalies, no matter how rare they are. By measuring how much more expensive futures contracts are versus the regular spot market, traders can gauge the bullishness level of the market. The fixed calendar futures usually trade with 0.5% or higher premium when compared to a regular spot exchange. Whenever the premium decreases or turns negative, traders can consider this as a red flag. Such a situation, also called the backwardation, indicates a strong bearishness. Monitoring volume. In addition to constantly checking futures contracts, good traders also check the spot market volumes. Breaking important resistance levels while simultaneously showing low volumes is somehow intriguing. Typically, low volumes show a lack of confidence, therefore any significant price change should be accompanied by an increase in trading volume. Top traders long to short ratio. Another key metric that can be used is the top traders long to short ratio. This metric can be found at many leading crypto exchanges. Traders should pay attention to changes in this metric rather than the absolute figures, as there is often discrepancies between exchanges' methodologies. As an example, a sudden move below 1.0 long to short should be a troubling signal. This is because the historical 30-day data as well as the current 1.23 figure favors longs. As we mentioned before, the ratio can differ significantly between exchanges, but traders should watch changes in ratios rather than absolute numbers themselves. Unlike our previous example from Binance, it is common for OKEx's top traders to hold levels below 1.0, all the while not necessarily indicating bearishness. According to the 30-day data on this exchange, numbers below 0.75 should be cause for worry. In conclusion, there is no set rule or method that could predict every single spike or dip, but there certainly are ways to improve your chances of improving your profitability when trading. Monitoring the funding rates, spot volumes, as well as the top traders long to short ratio provides a much clearer view of the Bitcoin market as a whole, rather than simply reading candlestick patterns and monitoring general oscillators like RSI and MACD. This is mostly because the aforementioned metrics provide a direct gauge for professional traders' sentiment rather than just retail sector sentiment, and it is crucial to take them into account as Bitcoin tries to break $20,000. If you enjoyed the video, then please like and subscribe, and leave a comment down below about anything you would like us to discuss in future, or if you have any questions about this particular video. Have a great day.